Hey guys, I'm gonna do a quick walk around tour on my 2014 Nissan GTR Black Edition. So I've got full bolt-ons Alpha 7 package. It's currently pushing 646 wheel horsepower on E85 and 603 on 93 pump gas. Over here we have 95 run. I haven't dynoed it since I've did the tune update. But it'll be relatively less pump gas. So let's start from the exterior. Over here I have the REXPEED K style front splitters, including with the air ducts. So this option also comes without the air ducts. It's an extra for having them. And over here I have the OEM 2015 headlights. As you know, 2014 in the US didn't have the lightning bolt headlights. Down here, a little bit dirty, I have the Alpha front mount intercooler street. Side skirts, I also have the REXPEED Z style. It's almost identical to the Zilly side skirts, carbon fiber, very good quality. I've had them for a long time now. For the wheels, I'm running the Advan RSD 20 by 9.5 up front, and then 20 by 10.5 in the rear. Tires Pirelli P0, 285/35, and then 295/35. I do have spacers on, you know, just to keep the wheels flush out. Stock suspension. I don't have any suspension on. Up in the back I have I-back spacers, 20 millimeters, and then up front is 15 millimeters. So it gives that good, you know, flush look. Tires sticking out a little bit. On the back, I have the OEM Black Edition dry carbon spoiler. I think it looks the best for me. And the trunk is actually 3M wrapped, because I previously had an Aeromotions wing where I actually had to drill holes, so the wrap is actually kind of covering the holes, but it actually looks good, so I kept it. This is one of my favorite parts. It's the DIFFLOW diffuser fins. These things are mean. Then they are very tough. I've actually had DIFFLOW shave an inch off before sending them out, just because I know I would have, you know, clearance issues, and that actually did the job. For exhaust, it's the HKS LEGAMAX titanium tips. It's kind of dirty, you can't see it right now, sorry for that, but they're so far I've loved them so much. When I firstly installed the HKS alone, it didn't really make a difference. You actually need like mid-pipes and downpipes to actually feel the difference. For the mid-pipes, well, I don't know why you can barely see it, I've got the HKS as well, and the HKS resonated mid-pipes, and then Alpha 19mm downpipes, catless. Alright, let's see the interior. Standard Black Edition Recaro seats. And I have the DCT custom steering wheel, DCT Motorsports, with the Alcantara sides, red flat bottom. Also, I've got these Shift Concept paddles. I really recommend them, really great. So they just plug into your current shift paddles. They feel great. Some people might think they're a bit too big, but honestly it makes a difference shifting. I like it. Access port. Over here is pretty much stock, Black Edition. My tune is on cob. I have the Access port V3 without the TCM. And I'll show you the hood. This is what my engine bay looks like. I've recently took off the OEM cover, you know, just to change it up a bit. These are temporary. They are silicone hose kits. I got the radiator as well. They're from Concept Z Performance, I think. It's just temporary till I get, you know, upgraded intake pipes, upper intake pipes. The 3-inch intakes I have are SAKURA. Blow valves, HKS SSQ V4. Have the inserts on. I'm running vent to atmosphere, and got that part to block off. I think I got that from Amazon or Summit, can't remember. Injectors, I have ACNU 1100cc, and I've also got the ASNU fuel pumps 330 LPH. Over here I got the Visconti flex fuel. You know, if I could, you know, swap between pump gas, flex fuel. Right here, show the FMIC. You know, I'm not running any E85 right now. Don't have E85 over here. So I'll show you the headlights, the lightning bolt. These are the lightning bolts, DRLs. I've also got the OEM 2015 tail lights, the halo instead of the dotted ones that come standard 2014. And that's pretty much it. If you'd like me to do my Camaro next, please let me know. Got a lot of parts and changes done to that car, so let me know if you'd like to see more.